So how do you delete saved passwords in the Android and especially in the Google accounts? So let me guide you through it. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So you have a few ways. The first one would be to install a dedicated Google Passwords Manager app, which you can get from the Play Store. It's freely available. And as you can see, I already have it. So you can open it up as this app. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. So in the top right, I can see my profile picture, and I can even switch to a different account if I would want to, right? So I can literally just go to another one and so on. But the point is that if you have any password in here, this is where you'll be able to delete it. So you can also go to these settings and see that we have the button to delete all data. So in my case, I don't have any passkeys or passwords, but if you just want to wipe everything clean, you have the button to delete all data, which is pretty useful, I guess, because you don't have to delete them one by one if you just want to get rid of your stuff. So that's something that you're going to definitely do. And as well, you can export your passwords. So you will also be able to get the copy of it if you don't want to lose it, if you just want to stop using this service. So that's how we can do this. And one more thing I need to mention about it is that you technically don't even need to get the separated passwords app, as the Chrome web browser has the ability to go there, 3 dots and settings, and Passwords Manager is in here, which is just part of the Google Chrome app. So you technically don't even need it, but I guess it's better to have it all separated by apps. So let me know what you think below in the comments. If you have some more questions specifically about this, then let me know below. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.